Hello traders, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates. And today I'm gonna show you how to use a trend line to find a market structure. The trend lines are a dynamic support resistance. The trend lines are used to find a trend of the stock or index. You can use trend line to find the structure and direction of the trend. So we directly go into the video. See here, today this is Petronet chart and daily chart. See here, this is looking like a double bottom. This level is looking like a double bottom. Here a price will be reversed, so many people are going to buy this level. Many people are, this is buy entry, they are thinking this is buy entry, but you can go for a longer time frame and use multiple time frame analysis to find exact trend. See here, I'm going to weekly chart. Whenever you are decreasing time frame, the accuracy is very low. You can increase a time frame, see monthly, weekly, or gives high accuracy and it shows exact trend. See, I'm going to fix weekly chart. See here, this is Petronet. Right now I am in weekly. See, already I shown in daily chart, it's a double bottom. Many people are thinking this is buy entry, but in weekly chart, see here, I am going to draw some trend lines to find a market structure. See here, the trend line is very simple. Go and draw, just connect low to low. See here, this is first low and this is second low, and then you connect first and second. See, this is a breakout. This candle will break the low and this candle will retest here. Whenever the breakout is happen and then retest, the price is high chances to reverse. See, I am going to draw the arrow in downside. Okay, in red color. Okay, this is breakout, and then I am going to connect another trend line also. See here, I connect high to high. See, you can connect this wick also, then only you get perfect trend line. See here, this is a market trend right now. How I connected first touch and then second touch, these are not touched in the line, but this is strong resistance area. They are strong resistance area, so price will be reversed. Okay, I'm going to minimize this chart. See here, I'm going to draw another trend line. See, from this level to this level, and then here to this level. Okay, I'm going to change the color of this trend line because the difference between short term and long term trend lines and major and minor trend lines. This is major trend line. See, this pattern is look like as a wedge pattern. See friends, the price is trading inside the pattern. Same here also you can see most support area. It takes again and again support, so here the price is reversed slightly, but it's a downtrend. It may high chances to fall this level, or sorry, or it may reversed from this level. But this area, see this area, we have two chances. One is it touched to reverse, or it will continues a downtrend. Okay, very simply we find this structure. See here, the trend line is breaked, price will be retested here, and then the price can move downside. We predicted this with the help of trend lines. See, this is another trend. Okay, 1 minute, I'm going to clear this view. See, this is another trend, this is major trend, and it's a minor trend. A strong bull movement can take over the market to upside, and then the price is okay. I'm going to remove this line. This pattern like a flag pattern. See, the many chances market may fall. It will show you the direction of downside. It's a simple method to find a trend. This trend line is help to find the trend. See, I'm going to show Bank Nifty. Very simple, beginners you can learn this technique freely. This is paid course, but I am going to share this information everyone free. See, a trend line is connected to lower to low. See here, first touch, second touch, this is a low, this is the major trend, and then I'm going to draw the minor trend. See, this to this, and I'm going to draw the another line. See, you can go near the price, then only you get some entries. See here, another breakout is happened. Okay, the price is high chances to touch this level because the buyer will started buying from this level. So I'm going to set this as a support. Okay, already it gives a breakout in weekly chart. I'm going to draw, see the view in daily chart. Multi time frame analysis will help you to find exact. See here, this is breakout and it's a retest area. See, I'm drawn some line here. The trend is downtrend from here, and then it braked, and then it retested here. Okay, I am going to change this color as a green. Okay, retested this trend. Okay, after it retested, and then the price goes downside. What is our target? This is entry price. See here, the retest, whenever the price is breakout, many time false breakout will be happen. So wait and catch the price to touch this level, this trend line, because the trend line will be reacted as a resistance. Here the support, the trend line is acted as a support whenever this trend is acted. See here, this is first support and this is second, and here the third will be broken. See, whenever the breakout is happen, it will retest and then it will be sell. You have a chance to sell this level. See your entry, just imagine, it's very simple, don't confuse, it's your entry area. This is a selling entry area. Okay, why? Because the trend line is breaked, so sellers are having control in the market, so sellers are strong, so we decide to go sell side because the trend will be breaked in daily chart. Okay, in daily chart a trend will be breaked, very simple, it price will be retested and then it comes to downside. Where my target, I prefer very safest target is the recent support area. See here the price will be started moving up, and then this is a first support and it's a second support, this level, because this is second time, but the price may higher chances to reversed from this level. Many possibilities are there, so we can book safe target, don't expect too much of profits. Okay, I am doing this only for just analysis. It will helpful to beginners who want to analyze technically. It's very helpful to everyone, you can use it. The chances are it may happen also. It's very simple. If the trend is continuous, it takes the support from this line, or it takes a recent support. Okay, very simple. Bank Nifty already trend is broken, exactly it breaks 24th, sorry, yes, March 24th, I think. Okay, 24th March the breakout will be happen, and then the downtrend will be followed from here. I'm going to show you how the downtrend will be look like. Just it started from this level. See here, it's a first and second and third. See here, this price will be continuous from 1 2 1. See, this is first and this is second, and it's a third, okay. And then see here, minor trend, okay. Okay, how do you know the trend is changed? Whenever the trend line, see the trend line, see this is a trend line, high possibility the price will be touch this support, and if it is reversed means, see the angle, the trend line is breaked, the trend line is breaked, then it closed, the candle will close above this trend line, it may continue upside. Very simple. Trend lines are very helpful in day trading and investing also. Beginners, you can check this trend line and practice more, do more practice, you get some idea. It's very simple technique to find market direction, market structure, everything. You can made good profit in breakout and retest. See here, this technique will help you to gain more profit in intraday trading and positional also and investing also. So do paper trade and do more practice before entering trade. And this video only for educational purpose, beginners. And thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates. Thank you.